Welcome! In front of me I have ULEFONE Armor 3W, and today I will make the fingerprint scanner test. We are going to check how fast and how reliable is this edge sensor on this smartphone. So at the first I'm going to lock our phone and then just put the finger right here for like 5 or 8 tries. So as you can see, it is reliable, it works every time, but we got here some kind of a delay for like half second or 1 second. But definitely it works good. It's not the fastest scanner that you can find in the smartphone, but for sure it's reliable, it's safe, and I can recommend you this one. So that's how it looks. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments, and subscribe to our channel.